Good morning, guys. Thursday, grabing snow sa labas. Teka, pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Not really sure if it's gonna show that much because of the window. And it's still kind of, very... Nakita niyo yan? Medyo, nagpa-fog yung glass namin, yung window namin. But look, grabe, no? Papasok na ako. IG doesn't have school. Mamaya makikita nyo. I'll show it to you guys when I get out. So, that's actually a struggle that I'm gonna have today. Because I have makeup on. And can you imagine like this, like snow, like slapping on my face. So, kamusta naman yung kilay ko? Baka matanggal. So, yun. IJ's asleep. Jeff already left for work. So, okay. Kaya natin to, guys. Pasensya nyo na ang gulo. Oh my God. Ayan na, guys. Kaya ba natin to? Wait. Kaya natin yan. I made it to the train station. Grabe, walang tao, guys. Usually, this is like full of people. Because it's like rush hour, but like right now there's nothing. We made it to work, guys. Oh my God. Good luck. Siguro maraming absent ngayon. So, guys, look at the storm outside. Oh my God. And hold on, let me just. So the owner of the company just emailed every one of us that asking us to go home because the storm is actually really getting bad. So, oh my God, this is so crazy. You know how much struggle, you guys, I have to do to get here? It's such a difficult mess. Hold on. I have to close everything up and go home. So yeah, hopefully Jeff will come home too. Yeah, I'm giving you a little bit of tour of my office too. So, I know no one is here but me. Ang ingay ng boots ko, guys. So yeah, So, actually what I'm gonna do is just, I'm gonna draw the winner today. I guess that's what I can do. Because IG is at home. Seriously, no one is here. So I just need to get home. Hopefully the train is still working fine. Because it's really, really bad outside. Oh my God. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys later. Let me just shut everything down. Bahay na ako. Grabe. Humina na yung snow. But it's still snowing. And I think it's gonna be
till 6 p.m.
Yeah, it's not gonna stop until 6 p.m. See. It's just a little bit foggy because like of the heater inside the house. You wanna go out, Bing? You wanna go out? Books? Books. Books, say hi to our French Books. Who's that? Oh, IJ doesn't have school. Nasayang lang yung ko. A for effort. Papunta ng trabaho. Grabe. So, I got lugaw. And then I got some galunggong for not breakfast, lunch later. Because I still have veggie inside the fridge with, I think yung yung bean sprout. Ayan, so I have galunggong. And then IJ and I are gonna split this lugaw. It has eggs, and then I got some cassava. I'm in that time of the month where I just want a lot of junk food. So yan, kain tayo. Ayan, maghahati kami ni IJ sa lugaw. Kain tayo, guys. Books! Daming snow books, oh! Naaliw siya. I know! You wanna go out? Nagluto ako ng giniling. Namiss ko to ha. Namiss ko tong kitchen. Sa pagluluto. Teka lang ha. Ayun nga, cause it's been a while since I last really cooked. Like without even, you know, trying to hurry up with what I'm doing. IG's outside. It's still like snowing as you guys see. I'm kind of cleaning the house right now. I already did wash the laundry. I don't really know how to organize my makeup vanity. I think I need a vanity table because before I moved my vanity area right there, I actually told you guys that that's just gonna be temporary. I haven't found anything that I want to use for that as a vanity table. I don't have any idea. Like, so I don't know what you guys suggest because I don't really like huge furniture. Oh my god. I don't really like huge furniture. As you guys see, like we want like as little as possible like furniture here. We don't even have dining table just because we rather have like huge space than more furnitures, you know. To the gym. I'm vlogging. Syempre, mag-gym pa rin kami. Seven. Tingnan nyo, naka-sweater lang siya. Sobrang lamig. Hindi ko tinanggal yung makeup ko from work. So, ayan. Inahampas ko ng hangin tsaka ng snow. So, good luck naman. So, yeah, mag-gym muna kami. Actually, our gym is not... It's close, but it's not like super close from our house. So, we only walk going there. It's about like 10-minute walk. For Jeff, it's only 7 or maybe less because he walks really fast. So yeah, I think nobody's gonna be in the gym, but just like gym rats, period. So they wanna take advantage of this day because not so many people go. So yeah, workout muna tayo guys. Ang lamig. We made it! Gym na kami. Dito ako sa locker room. Grabe. You know what's difficult when it's winter? You have to keep on putting layers on because like one thick thing wouldn't keep you warm. So you have to like layer, have like my gym bra, this like sweater. This is what I'm gonna wear to work out. And then this sweater and then my coat. And then I have about 3 socks right now. So, workout na tayo guys. Ayan. Ito pala yung ano, the boots that I got from Hunter. It comes really, really handy. Because as you guys noticed, we got like few different, probably a couple snowstorms, but few rainy days. So this what I've been using. And then I just took my sneakers with me just because this is gonna be soaked if I just wear this going here to the gym. So done working out. Sakit ng likod ko guys. Because I think I hurt my back like really bad. Oh, I forgot to wash my it's like my lower back area. Pasensya na kayo sa angle. But I still had a really good workout. So that's a Long Island Railway train. So that's a different train, you guys. This is from Long Island to Penn Station in Manhattan. And then he's waving. It's pretty. So the train is like really slow right now because of the snow. Oh no, because it's gonna stop. Right sorry. The other one's right. Oops. We're done working out. Look how red Jeff is. Babe, look. The good news is I already took a shower. I'm just gonna end the vlog. Baby, say good night.
Good night.
So yan, we had a free day off today. Jeff actually got home. What time did you get home, babe? Like around 2:30. Yeah, around 2:30, and then we went to the gym. Ate. IJ's there. He just finished doing his homework, and then yeah. Ayun. Oh, I'm gonna give a shout out to Tita Carlos. Isa-shout out ka ulit ni Jeff this weekend. Pero ako muna. Shout out Tita Carlos. She is going to be Lola again. Kasi daw yung manugang daw niya buntis. Sana baby girl ano. Ewan ko po basta kasi sa akin I would love to have a baby girl. But IJ doesn't want it. Anyway, so yan, just gonna end the vlog and hope everyone is having a great time. We're still actually covered with snow here in New York City. Tomorrow, I'm not really sure how bad it's gonna be because until now it's still snowing, I think. It will be snowing overnight, but not as bad anymore. It got really bad around 7:30 in the morning, and that's the reason why my boss sent us an email. So he basically blasted the email to everyone where I work and then had us go home sa Tuka. Alright. But yeah, it's pretty good because like I was able to like come home, clean. Saan siya na kayo sa Puka kasi nang istorbo. Oh, books. Here. Nawala. Where is it? Gusto niya kasi ng treat. Here, one more. So, yan. Mag-good night lang ko. And again, thank you so much for watching, you guys. And hopefully, I failed on choosing the winner this week, today, because I got really busy. But I will really do it this weekend. And again, I'm just gonna reach out on that person through Facebook or Instagram. And yes. Again, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and hope everyone is having a great time. Bye! See you in our next vlog. Good night!